Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to perform a dialogue together. You know, this is a really great way to practice both your English speaking and listening skills. So let's begin.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस सफ़े पर एक मुकालमा है। इसमें दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं। पहले आप गौर से सुनिए और फिर हर लाइन मेरे बाद दोहराइए।
All right, let's switch over to English now. I'm going to read each line of the dialogue for you. After I speak, there's going to be a pause. That's your time to repeat the line out loud. So listen carefully. Let's start.
Assalamu alaikum. Who are you looking for?
Wa alaikum assalam. I am looking for Ali. Where is he?
He is not here at the moment.
Why is he not here? When will he be back?
He will be back in half an hour. What is this?
This is a parcel.
Whose parcel is this?
This is Ali's parcel. Please put this parcel on Ali's table.
Which is Ali's table.
It is over there in the corner.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Fantastic job! You have now practiced every single line of the dialogue. So what's next? Well, the next step is to perform it with a partner.
Go ahead and find a partner. One of you will be speaker 1, and the other person will be speaker 2. Now, read the full dialogue together. You can begin now.